From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
The 37th question of NECO 2025 is on longitude and latitude. It says 2 points A and B on the equator have longitude 162 degree east and 74 degree west, respectively. What's the shortest distance between them? So if we take a sketch, this is the longitude, the prime meridian, and this is the equator. So 162 degree east is somewhere around here. 162 degree east and 74 degree west somewhere around there. This is 74 degree west. And we're asked to look for the shortest distance between them. Now, since they are on the opposite sides, we have that is east and west, the angular difference is 74 plus 162, which is 236. Since we are interested in the shortest distance, so the shortest distance is the other way around, such that we subtract it from 360 degrees, because this is divided like from 0 to 180. Since it has exceeded 180 degrees, we need to look for the other side that makes it 360. So the shortest angle first is 360 minus 236, and this is 124 degrees. And so the shortest distance along, if we call here x, we'll call here y, will be this angle 124 degrees over 360 times 2 pi r, 2 times 22 over 7 times 6,400. And so this cancel this. If we multiply through and divide, we will get 13,856.50 kilometer. That's the answer. Thank you for watching.